up, guys? It's Crypto Ether back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said, guys, we're back in a bull run for Saitama. Saitama is moving, guys. Let's look into why, right? So we'll jump right onto the Twitter account. Guys, we have some huge announcements coming from the Saitama Twitter account today, and I believe that is why we see it mooning at the moment, right? So let's check this out, guys. Hey fam, another check for the Saitama Wolfpack. We are heading to get the final result soon. Patience is key, right? So Saitama's audit is in progress. 85% done, guys. That means right around the corner from being all the way finished. Guys, this is huge. If you guys do not understand what Certic does, they go through a company's contract to make sure everything is legitimate. This gives a sense of legitimacy to the investors and just really does wonders for a project, right? So that being said, guys, that's a big milestone for us. We're right around the corner from getting that Certic audit done. So, hi fam. Thank you for always being a part of our Saitama Wolfpack family. I know we are worrying about the price action, and to be honest, Certic is giving us a bit of time to make sure everything is up and running good, rather than late, sorry. However, I do see many posts about the event, and we do need to improve on the way that we do the execution during the live, and I get that. We will move to the right chart direction. Again, I love you fam. Thank you anyone that joined us in this event live and being part of Saitama, right? So guys, basically everything, is just really looking bullish to me at the moment. I know Bitcoin had a pullback, not financial advice, right guys? It's just my opinion, but usually when Bitcoin has a pullback, that means it pulls back for X amount of time, and then it goes back into a bull run. And if you guys are not aware, Bitcoin has what they call what's the word I'm looking for? Bitcoin has a certain control over the market, right? Market dominance, and so everything kind of just falls in suit with Bitcoin. And coins that have a small market cap like Saitama, there's just a lot of room for explosive growth within Saitama because of its smaller market cap, right? So I don't know. I'm just really bullish on the project, guys. I like the team. I like the community. I get a ton of love there. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about what was going on. This is definitely breaking news. They just put out that tweet about 1 hour ago, so this is absolutely huge, guys. I'm just really stoked about the project. This audit is going to be huge for Saitama. And yeah, I just wanted to, just reiterate that for you guys. Saitama is definitely moving along here with this Certic audit, and yeah, I'm just really stoked about it, right? So again, guys, if you do want to check out Saitama, I will leave links down below in the description in case you want to check that out. And I will leave links down below for the website as well. I highly suggest that you guys, just get in there, do your own research on Saitama. It's a really cool project in my opinion, and I definitely believe it's worth looking into, right? So that being said, guys, it's Crypto Ether, and I am out of here, guys. Peace.